na bang mga taga from the majority who reached out to you kahit paano? Baka naman may text thread uli kayo dyan na pwedeng makita.
Bakit?
Wala po. I mean, hindi namin sila kinakausap. In fairness, si Senator Loren, yung pro tempore nila, went up to our room kasi Nix invited her. Pero wala lang, kwentuhan. Tapos biro-biro, sama ka na sa amin. Lord said, no. Sabi niya nga, may mga things pa that I have to resolve or something to that effect. Tapos bumaba na siya kasi in-invite siya eh. Yung office niya kasi, same floor sa office ni Senator Mix. So, or one floor higher siya. So, sabi niya, akyat ka dito. So, pumunta siya doon sa room. Kasama ka, nandoon kami lahat. Medyo nabigla nga siya na, hey guys, how are you? Okay, hindi tayo magkaaway. That's what her words. Na hindi tayo magkaaway ha. We're still friends, okay? Magkaibang grupo lang tayo. Then nagkaroon ng biruan. Sama ka na sa amin. And she said like, meron pa akong have to resolve something, etc., etc. So, hindi naman namin pinilit na. So, tapos sabi niya, Mig, sumama mo ko sa baba. So, sumama si Senator Mig.
So, at this point, no chance for Senator Legarda to go back to your group, to the minority group. Kasi, I'm sure you've seen this, Senator Tulfo, na people are speculating who the minority bloc could convince to cross the fence, diba? Back to you guys para you have the numbers. And si Senator Loren dati nang kasama nila Senator Mix and so on and so forth. So wala nang chance at this point for her.
I don't know. I mean, yung aming mga senior members na minority like SP Soto, Senator Soto, Lacson, Mig Subiri, Kiko Pangilinan, even Rizal Ontiveros, sila po yung kakausap po dyan. Tayo, bago lang po tayo. And I'm not very, very close to Senator Loren. So, pero sila dahil kasama nila ng ilang Congress yan. So, I believe they'll be the ones to talk to her.